Ansley shooting 3.5-inch bird shot from the Benelli Supernova. Just do it, Ansley.
Is it off safety?
It should be. Oh.